Before I begin the report, I'd like to get some ideas from you all. How do you feel about rural sales in your sales district? I suggest we go around the table first to get all of your input. In my opinion, we have been focusing too much on urban customers and their needs. The way I see things, we need to return to our rural base by developing advertising campaigns to focus on their particular needs. I'm afraid I can't agree with you. I think rural customers want to feel as important as our customers living in cities. I suggest we give our rural sales teams more help with advanced customer information reporting. Excuse me, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat that, please? I just state that we need to give our rural sales teams better customer information reporting. Would you like to add anything, Tom? I must admit, I never thought about rural sales that way before. Well, let me begin with this PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, we are developing new methods to reach out to our rural customers. I suggest we break up into groups and discuss the ideas we've seen discussed.